Let's start. The Supreme Court on Monday agreed to expeditiously and comprehensively hear questions on the safety and maintenance of the 126-year-old Mulla Periyar Dam, especially during heavy rain. Full stop. Next stanza. A bench led by Justice A.M. Khanwalkar fixed a hearing of the case on December 10 for directions immediately after the conclusion of two ongoing cases before it. Full stop. The bench said the registry would put up the Mulla Periyar case even earlier than December 10 if the two part-heard matters were concluded sooner than expected. Full stop. Next stanza. Justice Khanwalkar said the deserved petitions filed on the various aspects of safety, maintenance of the dam and security of the people living near it should be heard comprehensively. Full stop. The court assured the parties it would go into the details of every aspect put forth before it in the various petitions. Full stop. The Tamil Nadu government has so far stood firm by its position in the court that the dam is hydraulically, structurally and seismically safe. Full stop. It has blamed a social media campaign triggered in Kerala against the dam. Full stop. It said the steady flow of petitions to the court from Kerala questioning the dam's safety, even calling for its decommissioning, was a bid to harass it. Full stop. Next stanza. It accused Kerala of trying somehow to prevent Tamil Nadu to raise the level to 142 feet at the Mulla Periyar Dam on one pretext or the other by raising issues which have been fully addressed by experts from Central Water Commission (CWC). Full stop. Next stanza. Tamil Nadu in an affidavit noted that the safety of the dam had been spotted by reports of the expert committee after extensive study. Full stop. Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhatti for the supervisory committee said the issues had been thrashed out between the two states in several meetings. Kerala, in turn, has demanded a reconsideration of the rule curve as the dam was situated in a seismic zone. Full stop. It accused Tamil Nadu of adopting an obsolete gate operation schedule dating back to 1939. Full stop. Next stanza. The petitioners, including Dr. Josh, had accused the supervisory committee of having become lethargical in the safety, inspection and survey of the dam, saying it has delegated its duties to a subcommittee of local officials. Full stop. Next stanza. Advocate V.K. Bijju, appearing for the Idukki-based Periyar Protection Movement, alleged that there was deep seepage issued in the dam structure. Full stop. Tamil Nadu cannot dismiss the apprehensions of 50 lakh people in Kerala about the dam's safety by calling it is a social media campaign, he said. Full stop. Next stanza. The Bombay High Court on Monday refused to restrain Maharashtra Minister and Nationalist Congress Party within bracket NCP leader Nawab Malik from making comments on social media against Narcotics Control Bureau within bracket NCB Journal Director Sameer Wankhede and his family full stop. Next stanza. A single bench of Justice Mahadev Jamdar was hearing a defamation suit filed by Mr. Wankheda's father Denwao, who sought rupees 1.25 crore in damages. Full stop. The petition mentioned that Mr. Malik had leaked a purported birth certificate of his son on Twitter that allegedly stated that he was a Muslim. Full stop. The court said right to privacy is implicit in the right of life and liberty. Full stop. Public have right to comment on the life of public officer, but that has to be done with reasonable verification. Full stop. These are only prima facie observations. Full stop. At prima facie stage, it cannot be said that allegations are totally false. Full stop. Next stanza. The Bombay High Court on Monday deferred hearing of a defamation suit filed by a local BJP leader in a magistrate court against former Congress President Rahul Gandhi. Full stop. A single bench of Justice S.K. Shinde was hearing a petition filed by Mr. Gandhi seeking to quash the summons issued to him by the magistrate court on the suit filed by Mahesh Shirishirimal in 2018. Full stop. Next stanza. The High Court said it would hear Mr. Gandhi's plea on December 16 and directed the magistrate to defer the hearing beyond December 20. Full stop. In his plea, the local BJP leader had alleged that Mr. Gandhi had called, and since Mr. Modi was head of the country and not the head of the party, Mr. Shirishirimal, being a member of the party, was defamed. Full stop. Next stanza. The number of countries moving towards authoritarianism in 2020 was higher than that of countries going in the other direction towards democracy. The Global State of Democracy Report 2021 released by the National Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance on Monday said. Full stop and over.